Block gutters are one of those jobs homeowners put off until leaves, debris, birds, pests, or overflowing water start causing problems around the home. Aussie DIY Solutions leaf guard kits are designed to help homeowners protect their gutters the DIY way, with mesh, trims, fixings, and roof-specific options to suit different Australian homes. The first choice is the mesh type. Universal mesh is the everyday option for general leaves, debris, and bird proofing and pest protection. High performance mesh is the stronger, upgraded option for homeowners who want a more heavy-duty gutter guard system. And for bushfire-prone areas, Ember Mesh is available to help reduce leaves, debris, and ember entry into the gutters and roof spaces. If you are extending an existing system or already have the right fittings, mesh-only options are also available. Once you know the mesh type, the next step is choosing the right kit for your roof. Corrugated roof kits use fittings designed for standard corrugated metal roofs. Tile roof kits are designed so the mesh can be secured at the gutter edge and tucked neatly under the tile row. Clip lock and trim deck roofs need profile-specific options so the mesh can be fixed properly to the roof shape. Valley kits help protect the areas where leaves often collect, and box gutter kits are available for wider gutter sections. A simple way to think about it is this: mesh type decides the level of protection, and roof type decides the correct kit and fittings. Each kit includes the key components needed for the selected roof type. Depending on the kit, this can include the gutter mesh, front trims, roofing screws, and the correct clips or saddles for the roof profile. That means you can order the system that suits your roof rather than trying to piece it together yourself. Installation is straightforward. Roll the mesh along the gutter line and cut it to size. Secure it to the gutter edge with trims, then fasten it to suit your roof profile type. Full installation guides and videos are available if you want step-by-step help. You can also choose from a range of colour options to help match your roof and gutter finish. And if you're unsure about your roof type, mesh type, colour or kit length, call or text Aussie DIY Solutions before you order. Shop leaf guard kits online at Aussie DIY Solutions. Choose your roof type, choose your mesh type, select your length and colour, and order online today.